students, today I am going to discuss about 5th standard science subject term 3 lesson 2 animals. Our planet Earth has countless number of organisms including plants and animals. Animals are the most advanced organisms. Animals are the most advanced organisms. Animals are a gift of nature to human beings. They are very closely associated with us in our daily life. Animals are affected and many of the plant and animal species are disappearing from the surface of the earth. In this video, you will learn about a new topic, reproduction in animals. Reproduction is the biological process. Reproduction is the biological process by which an organism gives rise to a new organisms. This process is seen in all living organisms, both plants and animals. Reproduction is the essential for the continuation of similar kinds of species, generations after generation. In animals, two types of reproductions. They are sexual reproduction and asexual reproductions. In sexual reproduction is a natural way of reproductions in humans and animals. Now, let us brief about the sexual reproductions. It consists of 3 stages: free fertilizations, fertilizations and post-fertilizations. To the reproduction in animals. In animals, 2 types of reproductions. They are sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction is a natural way of reproduction in humans, animals and also in most of the plants. This type of reproduction is more complex and lengthy as compared to asexual reproduction. Different and unique offspring are produced by sexual reproductions. Animals have reproductive organs. They can by male and female. Female reproductive organs are called ovaries. Male reproductive organs are called testicles. Sexual reproduction is a type of reproduction in which the genetic materials from 2 different cells combine, producing an offspring. The cells that combine are called sex cells. Sexual reproduction consists of the stages: free fertilization, fertilization, third one post-fertilization. The first one, free fertilization. This is the first stage of sexual reproduction. In this stage, gametes, sex cell formation and transfer of gametes takes place. In animals, males and females gametes have different reproductive organs. The male reproductive organ is called testis and the female reproductive organ is called ovary. The test produced the male gametes known as sperms and the ovaries produced the female gametes known as ova or eggs. The male gametes reach the female gamete during this stage. The male gametes reach the female gametes during this stage. This is the first stage of sexual reproduction. Second one, fertilization. When the male gamete reaches the female gametes, they begin to fuse together. The fusion of gametes is known as fertilization. What do you mean by fertilization? When the male gamete reaches the female gametes, they begin to fuse together. The fusion of gametes is known as fertilization. During fertilization, the nuclei of the sperm and the egg form a single nucleus together, resulting in the formation of a fertilized egg known as zygote. During fertilization, the nuclei of the sperm and the egg form a single nucleus together, resulting in the formation of a fertilized egg known as zygote. Fertilization in animals takes place in two ways. They are external fertilization and internal fertilization. External fertilization takes place outside the animal body. It usually takes place in aquatic environments when both egg and sperm are released into the water. Fertilization in frogs and fish takes place by this method. When fertilization takes place inside the animal body, it is called internal fertilization. Internal fertilization takes place in animals like cat, dog, cow, etc. Once again, fertilization in animals, they have two ways, external and internal. External fertilization takes place outside the animal's body. For example, frog and fish. Internal fertilization, when the fertilization takes place inside the animal body. For example, cat, dog, cow, etc. Okay students, I hope all are understood today's topic. Thank you for listening students.